Hi friends, welcome to diploma classes. Model number 3. We solved one problem in the previous video. Now we will solve the second problem in this video. Okay. Question number 2. Integral 3x plus 1 by x square plus 2x minus 3 dx. This is the question given by the question in the question paper. R integral 3x plus 1 by x plus 3 into x minus 1 dx. The in the question paper we can see as like this or like this. Most of time they will give like this. Most of time they will give like this. These two are same. Okay. Now how to convert this form to this form? We will have to understand firstly. Okay. Now x square plus 2x minus 3. Here we have to 1 3 ja 3. We have to 3 factors. 3 ones, 1 threes. 3 is a prime number. Okay. 1 and itself. Okay. Now we have to separate 2 plus 2 plus 2x, then x square 3x plus 3x minus x minus 3. Okay. Then x plus 3 minus 1 common, x plus 3, x plus 3 into x minus 1. Okay. This is the form they are given in the second type. This is the first type, this is the second type. In the question paper they will give like this or like this. But in the question paper we see like this form. Okay, you have to understood. Then solution. Given that what they given, integral 3x plus 1 by x plus 3 into x minus 1 dx. Then this is a rational fraction. In rational fraction convert to partial fractions. Okay. 3x plus 1 by x plus 3 into x minus 1 is equal to, we have the two factors, a by x plus 3 plus b by x minus 1. Then this is the form. This is a rational fraction. Rational fraction must be converted into the partial fraction. We converted. Now we have to find out a and b. We have to find out a and b. Then see 3x plus 1 by x plus 3 into x minus 1. Then this is rationalization, two factors. This is a one factor. This is a one fraction. This is the one fraction. And add. When we add the two fractions, how we add? We will denominator LCM x plus 3 into x minus 1. Now cross multiplication, a into x minus 1 plus b into x plus 3. We will get the equation. This cancel. 3x plus 1 is equal to a x minus 1 plus b x plus 3. Now put in the above equation x is equal to 1. When we put x is equal to 1 in the above equation, what we will get? X is equal to 1, then we will get b. And x is equal to minus 3, we will get a. See, well, x is equal to 1, no? Now 3 into x in the place of x, 1 plus 1 is equal to a, 1 minus 1 plus b, 1 plus 1 plus 3. Okay, 3 plus 1 is equal to, this is 0, b we get 4, b is equal to 4 by 4 is equal to 1. Then put x is equal to minus 3 in the equation. 3x plus 1 is equal to a, x minus 1 plus b, x plus 3 in this equation. In the place of x we have to put minus 3, minus 3, minus 3. Okay, 3 into minus 3 plus 1 is equal to a into minus 3 minus 1 plus b into minus 3 plus 3. This is 0, then b is 0, and 3 3 are 9. Which 9? Minus 9 plus 1 is equal to a minus 4. Then minus 8 is equal to a minus 4. A is equal to minus 8 by minus 4. This is 1 time, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are minus minus cancel 2. Therefore, A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 1. Now, what we have to do, the last step is, we have to integrate. We have to integrate each one. We know x, we know a and b. Okay, integral 3x plus 1 by x plus 3 into x minus 1 dx is equal to, what is a? 2 x plus 3 dx plus integral b 1 x minus 1 dx. We know the formula of integration. Integral 1 by ax plus b dx is equal to 1 by a log ax plus b. Simply integral 1 by x dx means what? Log x. Okay. Now 2 is the constant. We have to write outside of the integral 1 by x plus 3 dx plus integral 1 by x minus 1 dx. Therefore 2 log x plus 3 plus log x minus 1 plus c. This is an indefinite integral, that's why we have to put constant of integral. Okay, there is no limits here, then we have to put c. If we put c only, this sum is correct, otherwise no. Thank you for listening my class. Share my YouTube channel to your friends, relatives and family members. Okay, I will give some time, note down this all.